Hello everyone, welcome to today's section. Today's the fourth session of this training is the formatting worksheet or workbook. Okay, we will focus on the home tab. As you see, this is the first tab on the menu bar. Okay, so before that we have to rewind what we discussed last time. We discussed about the data types and their how they work, and different number formats, how to create formulas. Just an overview. We didn't go in detail to the formula because we are going to be there after some time. And we see also functions, a lot of functions. Just we see it as an overview. Okay. So today we will see how to draw tables and border for tables, font, cell alignment, and using printer format or format printer, conditional formatting, rotating text, wrapping text, merging text, cells, and number formatting tools, conditional formatting, and formats this and filter data, sort data, merge cells, auto sum, average, maximum, minimum. Okay, so we will see these things today. I think we have to open a new cell like the other time to see all these things, how they work. Just follow me how they are doing. Okay. Let me open a new sheet because not to confuse you. Okay, yeah. I use Excel 2010. Maybe a little bit difference. Maybe there may be some difference, but you can get it. All the tools are there in the 2007, 2016, 2020, 22, whatever. So basically they are same, but a little bit the arrangement or the setting maybe change it here and there. So don't worry about that. You can get it easily from your office. Okay. Let me start from the beginning. Okay. We will go to how to draw the table. We start from the drawing table. Okay. Excel by itself has a table. Okay, it has its own table. It is already formatted as a table. Okay, so we are doing on this. So what we do is we start from here, by doing the table. Here is the table working format. Okay, for example, this is highlighted. These are grids, horizontal, vertical. Just you select if you know first if you know your number of columns and number of rows. Just it will count here as I show you last time. When you go there, it shows how many rows and how many columns you are running. Yeah, you see. Yeah. So just make this table. Okay. So after selecting this, just go here and look, this all borders. This is the right format to form. Why how we use the others we will see, but now we are going to use this all borders format, just like this. Okay. This is a table. So it has a uniform table because we didn't touch anything. The number of the size of cells are equal vertically, and because they are default, we didn't touch anything right now. Okay, so just let us follow the notes. We draw the table already. Okay, so we have to make borders for the table. Borders, it is already we did. These are the borders. All are, for example, for this cell, these four angles are the borders. But what we can make is, okay, look, when I change this, let me show you a sample here. Just for example, if I make this, okay, look the difference. This is the border for this table. For example, we can make our table, the external part to be like this. Okay, yeah, a little bit is black, the external part. So this is the way we format. Okay, and if we want to be empty, we can if we want to make it like this empty, we can make like this. Okay, just look. So what we do is, okay, let me undo. Okay, yeah. So these are the way we format. For example, sometimes you may not need. For example, here you have some value here. For example, this value. So it may have look. This is from the bottom. Look this makes you from the bottom. You see, here is the bottom. It makes the bottom, and when you come here, it makes at the top. No, sorry, I jumped. It makes at the top, and when you come here, right side, no, the right side. When you come here, left side. You see, you can make if probably you may face sometimes you have to cut. You will cut some unknowingly. You will cut the table free. For example, if I make this table like this, for example, let me make it empty. Okay, yeah, and let me make the top like this. You see, you have to. Your table is not full. So at this time, what you do is you select all. You can actually make this to fulfill, or you can make the bottom one, the bottom, yeah. Okay, no, here the bottom is already there. Okay, just here, the bottom one. Then you can do like this. So it is very simple. This is how to make the tables. Just see it. All of them have their own advantage and their own function. Okay, this is how to form tables. So saying this, next we will go to the font for texts, for whatever. Let us for example, let me make some table with values, serial numbers. Say this is a serial number. Okay, so when you face you have to write serial numbers, make 1 and 2, then select them to drag, like what I told you last time. Make this at right angle, and if this crossing comes, just drag it down. Just it makes the numbers by itself. Okay, so you will be correct. So when we come to font, okay, font, this, this making bold, making italic, making underline, whatever. These are what we know on the other, like words or any other software. These are common, and you know it I will. The new thing that I'm showing you is, for example, this is the formatting toolbar. Okay, the format printer. Sorry, format printer. It is format printer. Okay, yeah. Let us see first. This is format printer. It is very useful when you do a lot of data. You don't have to, if you make some arrangement, you may not drag, you can't drag it because of something. For example, let me make something here. For example, let me write city bus. Next, taxi. Just simply next. Let me see. It's Bajaj. Okay, for example, I want to make this color like this color, another color like this, and I want to make this yellow also. I don't want to make it again, but I can use this format to be copied here. So what you do is click on this cell which you want to take to other, then click this icon. It is called the format printer. Look, format printer, as you can see from the this format printer. So click it, Then go to the destination and click there. Just every formatting will come here, except formulas. Formulas will not come. It just follows the format that you used here and copy it to the other. So this is it's best tool when you are exercising. It will be very good. So this is copy, this is cut. We don't kill time here. So these are the formatting toolbars. Okay. Next, just here also it is the formatting toolbars. These are the color of the cell. If you want to change the color of the cell, just you use this. If you want to change the color of the text, you will do this. Okay. So this will change the color. You can you see? Yeah. These are the color formats. There are a lot of options. If you don't have your preference here, you go to just more colors, and you can get from here or from here. So just a very simple thing. Okay. These two are here are the font size. Okay. The font size is by default 12. So we can increase here. We can make it 50. But you can do it also by increasing here. Okay, this is increasing font size. Look, as much you want, you can increase. Okay, yes. And if you want to decrease, just the next one is decreasing the font. Okay, this is it. These are the tools. Okay, next, what we'll see is the alignment. These are the best tools. Okay, cell alignment is very important because your paper should be a very beautiful and attractive and self-explanatory, and has to be consistent in the alignment, because you don't have some numbers will go there, here and there, and some text. You don't have to make like that. So these are the alignment tools. Okay, these are the alignment tools. These are very important tools. Okay, from this, what we see is two types of alignment. Okay, a little bit. Okay, if you can see, these are making the vertical alignments. These are top align. It makes top of the cell of your cell. This makes the middle. This makes the bottom. This makes left align, center aligned, and right as aligned. Okay, these are increasing the indent and decreasing the indent. What does it mean? Let us see. For example, here, what do you see here? These are not aligned well. Okay. For example, this is a little bit. They are not the same in size. They are not uniform. It is not attractive. So what you make is just select. If all of the data here has to have the same, it is recommended. If you don't have any different thing here, sometimes if you have different, if you select those who have to be in the same mood, so select all. Then go to, for example, let me make them bold. I can make them bold. I can make them. Okay, but as you see, their font is different. So what I am going to do is I use here. I let me write 50. So okay, let me increase some. I will show you this also. So I increase the column. So look, they are the same color, same font, and same text style, but their alignment are to the left. For example, just you can arrange this by doing on this set. Okay, for example, okay, my computer is a little bit hidden me somewhere. The screen is so. Look, if you want to align this to the center, just select them and come here, if you horizontally align them, if you want to align them horizontally, okay, so you can align them like this, and this is I make them center, okay, center, horizontally. Vertically, you will see the difference if I make like this. Let me expand the vertical alignment. So vertically, by default, they are at the bottom. All are at the bottom. So select them if you want to make them up or as a center. Just come here, make them here. They come to a center. If you make it at the top, you will make like this. Okay. These are very important tools for formatting your worksheet. Okay, your worksheet will be very attractive and self-explanatory. So these are the best formatting tools. Okay, let me make them left aligned, and let me show you what does this means. Okay, these icons. These are decreasing the indent, and these are the decreasing the indent. This means, for example, if I select this cell, just if I click here, okay, just it will move to the left, the right. Okay, actually I made already I ordered them, but if it is default, for example, if this is already formatted, let me take another sheet and let me write here city bus. Because we ordered that, look this. Okay, yeah, look. This is decreasing the. Okay, this is increasing the font, and this is decreasing. Okay, you can make the alignment like this until you need where you want to put. Okay, these two are the function of these two are same, increasing and decreasing. Okay, the other one is the next one is this one. This one is just to make an orientation. Sometimes you want to make it vertical, you want to make it just 45-degree. Like that, if you don't have space. So these are the tools for orientation. Yeah, this is a tool that makes you to make the orientation. Okay. For example, let me click vertical text. Look, it makes it vertical. Okay, the text is now vertical. Okay, if I make format cell alignment, if I click this, there are a lot of options. Click this. Okay, this toolbar will come. Okay, when this toolbar comes, just come here to see the alignment. Here are the alignments. Okay, alignment. The text alignment is horizontally, it is left. Okay, vertically it is bottom, and indent is 1, as you see. And what wrapped we will see next. It is under our topic. So we'll see. But we are now talking about the alignment. For example, just come here. If you make it 45, for sometimes, look, you see, you can write like this. That means, so there are a lot of options like this. You make any angle, whatever you want. When you come here, I make it 45. You can make it even 180, 110, for example. What seems 100? Oh, it shouldn't be. Okay, well, let me make it 85. Okay. Look. Just this is a very good tools. Okay. So these are for numbers. Okay. These tools. We are now look. We are looking all the tools. What they do. Okay. Please. Carefully attend so that you can make your own letter. So these are okay. These are to increase decimal number and uh, decrease decimal number. For example, 45.00. Just simply, I make it is general, as I know, as you know. We have to. If I do, it increases the decimal. Look, and if you do this, it will decrease the decimal. Last time we can make this in number format. Okay, in number or counting or currency, we can make these orders too. So there are a lot of options in Excel. So the others, we have seen this last time, the percentage, but actually we see here, these are all are here. These icons are exactly doing the same as this toolbars. Okay, these are the symbolic toolbars for that. So this is a currency. This is the currency, and we see here the currency. Here is the currency, and okay, here is a percentage. We can click here. That means if you want to change this to percentage, rather than coming here and clicking this percentage. Okay, here what is the percentage? Yeah, these are all options are here. For example, this is accounting. Of course, comma style. This is accounting. We can make like this. This is the accounting format. Okay, so we can click here to get these numbers, these options, as you see last time, and we can make here. There are a lot of, we can use these axis icons. So I think you understand all what these alignments and what they are doing. Yeah, thank you very much. Okay, let us go to the next. Just you see cell alignment. We did cell alignment is the best and very important for your work. Okay, so please exercise how to make cell alignment in different format. Okay. So we are coming to conditional formatting. Conditional formatting means depending on your interest, you can make conditional formatting. For example, let me new sheet. For example, let me simply add the numbers here. I will show you what I want to do. Okay, so conditional formatting means you select conditionally what type of rule you will be giving for these values. For example, let me select like this and come to conditional formatting and click here, manage rule. Okay, manage rule. First we start from this. For example, yeah, show formatting rule for selection, current selection. I already select. Okay, or we can make it for workbook, worksheet. So for worksheet we can make, and for worksheet 1 and 2. We are on worksheet 3 actually, on worksheet 3. So we can make it for worksheet 1, for worksheet 2. This worksheet means worksheet 3. We are doing on worksheet 3 right now. Okay. So let us make a selection and let us add the rule. Okay, the rule. Look, all these are the rules. For example, let us see the first one. For all cells, based on their values. Okay, based on the we format based on their values. For example, what we do is just we can make it in 2 color style, or we can make 3 colors, whatever. For example, we want to make the smallest and the largest in different color. Okay, the lowest value and the highest value. Okay, the highest value will have this color and the lowest value will have this color. Okay, yeah. So look, if I make it apply, look, you see, these are the color transition color is in the meantime. This is the highest, these are the smallest, and the others are having related color based on their values to within this range. Okay, this is one way of formatting. The other one way of formatting is just we want to, for example, current selection. Let us add a new rule. For example, for only cells that contain, it says, but if we contain, for example, text, if they may contain text or other value or whatever, we can select this, but ours are number right now. So let us say format only top of bottom rated. No, for only values that are above or below average, for example. Yeah, look, okay, here by default it is it will color those who more than average, which are more than average or equal to or above. So you can select here, that means. So for example, for values above average, just look, I can make this color. Yeah, so if I make it apply, okay, actually we did it first, so no, we have to change this first, but yeah. So yeah, above average, this is above average, yeah, above average, okay. So what you do is, yeah, we click here, we have to click here, so apply. Sorry, I can't get this. Okay, we will see another time. Let us go to the others, the other formats. Okay, let us come here. These are the tools that, okay, that look, these tools that they are used for deleting the cell and increasing cell. For example, we are here. If you want to increase cell in the in this below this, just click here. Okay, no, sorry, here, yeah, look, it increases cell. Can you see? Yeah, if you want to decrease, you can decrease. Okay, this is it. Okay, the other one is this one, the format. Okay, format. This, let me increase this a bit. Bigger number, and let me compress it. It is not enough, okay, for this value. So what you do is just come to the format. Here we can add, we can make row height manually. For example, if I click this, it will give me the height of the row. So I can decrease or increase as I want. Okay. For example, let me make it 80. Yeah, it is contrasted. Okay. Yeah. So this is, if I make this, the second one, out of it, it adjusts itself with which is so that it's sufficient for the given values in that cell. Look, it makes its own adjustment. And when you come to the column, is the same. The column width, this is the given width, but we don't there excess. It is so much excess, so we have to make it automatic. So we can make it out of it column, so it adjusts itself. So these are very important because your tables has to adjust itself with the values in the cells. Okay, and when you come to his default width, so the Excel will have its own default width. Okay, the default width is this, but it is not enough for this. So if you click the new cell, the default will be look, default width this 8.38. It's default. Okay, so coming back, so these are very important tools here. Okay, so hide, we can hide rows, hide columns, hide everything. We can hide the rows like this. Hiding this means, look, here the cells starts from 1, 2, 3, and then 9. That means cell 4, 5, 6, 7 are hidden. 8, yeah, about 5 cells are hidden here. So we can unhide. Okay, we have to make unhide if we want. Unhide. Okay, hide. Where is it? Unhide. Unhide. Okay, yeah. We have to select in the range. We have to select the range because it is in this range. So we have to unhide like this. Okay, yeah. We have to, if we make it like this, it is but remember that you have to select the range within where the cells are, the hidden cells are there, because it will let me make you undo. It is, you know, it is starts from 3. You have to start from 3 or from the above, no problem, and until 9 you have to go to like this, because they are between 3 and 9, the hidden cells. So when you come to unhide it, directly it will get the cells. That means otherwise you may miss it, you can't get it. So you can make calculations different, and you can finally hide these cells. The values will work, but they are not shown here. So they are the best. Okay, let me show you the other thing. What I jumped here is the wrapping text. That means, for example, if you write here something like communication. Let me write this word, communication. As you know, communication, this column cannot hold the whole word. So what we are going to do is, we have options. If we have a space, we can make it out of it to column. Then it takes its own space. Okay. The other one is, we have to make this to be double in this line. So if you make wrapped, it will do like this. Okay, let me make it center. Yeah, it will look like this. For example, for example, labor cost. You can say labor cost. You see, it will come under this labor cost. This is meaningful. Okay, because the two word, the one word is above and the other is next. But if we don't wrap this, it will like this. It will hidden. Okay. If you print, this will be hidden. Okay. Otherwise, if you have space, you have to make this cell like this, or you can make it out of it as we see the previously. So this is important. Wrapping a cell is very important for doing your work. Okay. The other one is when come to here are the auto sum, average, maximum, minimum. Okay, you can mean, median, or look what those functions which can make are all here. So let us see this one. What does it mean? For example, you have to select here the bottom cell, because you want to sum these values. So click on this, or come here, sum. Yeah, it will show you exactly which values are going to be added. You can see in the formula bar, it starts from F4, okay, and ends at F8. You have to be sure that your formula is exactly catching these numbers. Otherwise, you will lose one of them by this or that. So don't forget your value is like this. If you want to if you want to increase these cells, the above cells, it has no value actually, but lately if you want to increase these numbers, just come here, the F4, make it F1. Look, I increase all the cells, it starts from yes. So this is the sum. Okay, just we can make the sum. Okay, then for example, yeah, let me let this value be here. Let me use format printer and to increase this value to same as this. Okay, just come to format printer and make like this. Yeah, you see, it increases, it is the same. So this is the sum. It's look, it is equal to sum F1 to F8. It is written in this form. So the other one is, let us go to average. Okay, now let us go to average. Look, still it catches the numbers. If the values are there, if there is no disturbance between these rows, it will catch by default. But you have to check. You have to check your formula is right, catching all the values. Okay, look, this is the average. Okay, and let us. Oh, sorry. Let us go to the maximum and the minimum. Look, what is the maximum? Definitely it is this. Okay, and what is the minimum? This is 25. Yeah, I think you understand it well. Okay, so this is all about this all formats, but we may revise these things because it is not working today. Maybe I will refer and I will come back with this next time. And the next, this filter, sort and filter has a little bit complex, and we will get them in here. It is better when you reach on the data, because here is the sorting, here is a filter, but here they are in the same filter, sort and filter we can make, but I think it's better if we go because we have to have tabular data, a lot of tabular data, and it needs to sort and filter. So we make some table in the next, and we will go to the data. Okay, data and the page arrange, page layout. We'll finish all the menu bars, and you exactly full knowledge of Excel for your career. Okay, so the next step, which is a conditional formatting. So I think we said rotating text with wrap text, merging. Yeah, we forget the merging text. Merging means, for example, you will have for example, you will have some value here, or maybe it is text. For example, here say land use. For example, let me write land use, and the second table also says land use. So merging means just eliminating one and making the two in the same, in the merging these two cells as one. Okay, so this is the merging tool. This is the merging tool. Just click it asks that one of the data will be merging the cell. Keep the upper left most data only. It keeps the upper and the left, so it will eliminate the second one definitely. So yeah, land use. Yeah, this is what we call the merging. Just when we use, for example, if you write titles, long title for example table 1, you may say you are working and you want to give your table name table 1 summary of costs. You see, this text just has about 3 columns, okay, but you can merge them. You can merge them and make it clear like this, okay. This is the merging mean, okay. You can unmerge. If you double click it again, it will unmerge the cells. So you can play whatever you like, okay. I think we have finished today's lesson. Next time we will go to the data and the page setup, okay. Have a nice time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share as usual. Okay, bye.